Your face still framed in the hallway light, but the color fades slow like the years at night. Grandma, did the world ever really treat you right? Or was leaving us all your pitiful fight? The silence hitting harder than you being there. Man, Grandma, I'm really just a kid. I used to ring you every Sunday, now the line dead. Heard you moved towns, left words unsaid. Family still wonder what was in your head. Man, what was in your